You know how long it's been since I've held a camera in my face? I don't record a lot anymore. But today we're in my buddy Tyler's Mustang, and we're heading over to our local speedway track where we'll be watching a drift event. First drift event here. What about you?
I've never been to a drift event.
Never? Okay. So
well, they've had one at an event in Nashville, but I was there for autocross, not drifting.
Yeah. You know, I just want to show the Mustang and everything. This is what we're taking to the track. And yeah, I guess we'll see you there and hopefully get some cool footage. Here we are.
Hey, let's just go ahead and stall the car real quick.
I'll go down there and see if I can find a spot.
That sounds good, dude. Truck sliding, yo, slide the truck.
I feel like we're gonna see a lot of Mustangs, Z's, and Beamers.
It's definitely Z's and Mustangs, I guarantee it. That looks nice though. No, I guarantee that
your car.
That's a V8 under there, I think.
That's your car.
I don't think that's a VQ.
Nah, bro, that's a little exhaust.
Oh, that's all exhausted?
It's an exhausted, bro.
Oh, you got a welded diff?
Yeah, it's a drift car. You gotta keep it solid, man.
Dude, look at those wheels. I mean, it looks like he's got too much grip on that.
slow motion.
picture of that, Brad?
I got that.
I got a picture of it.
No, I got it on video. It's all right. Yes.
Oh, I didn't.
Yes.
Oh,
Oda did. I got it on. I got it on video. Crazy drag ship fail.
No. Perfect, Braxton. Stay right there and make that same face again.
Not the EMS truck. Oh no, what are they doing? Not the EMS truck.
I don't always drink, but when I do, I drive.
Want to drive?
We're just getting there. We have someone here who has a 5.0 Mustang. Not him, but he's going to be riding in the car, aren't you, Braxton? Mm-hmm. Okay, it's one of Braxton's buddies. And Braxton has volunteered to hold the camera during it. Woo! Do you have to have a helmet for it?
Yeah.
You got a helmet?
Caleb does, yeah.
Oh, it's too easy. Yeah, Caleb's the owner of the 5 And as you can see, they're still going crazy. They're gonna be doing this pretty much all night. Sorry about the wind noise, guys. They're gonna be doing this pretty much all night, and apparently they throw parties, go all the way up into the morning, because it's gonna be Memorial Day, but unluckily to us, we all have work Monday. Thank you. I can't say who because I don't want to get fired. That'd be funny. Nonetheless, I'm gonna play that footage here in a minute. Hopefully Braxton remembers to record. You remember to record, right?
Should, yeah.
Okay. Being as you're a cameraman yourself.
I don't know how to use this thing.
I don't know how to use it. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. Can you make sure to scream on top of your lungs while you're doing it? Okay, cool. We'll bring the footage later.
And
So this is the car that Braxton's gonna be recording in.
As long as there's a barrier.
5-0. Are you nervous at all? No, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun? It's gonna be fun. All right, buddy, here's the camera.
How you feeling? Oh, let me flip it. Yeah. How you feeling, Caleb? This is gonna be fun. Were you tingling with today? Not yeah. No yeah. No yeah.
Take a ride with me. I give you all the pearls and
I noticed. From the front, yeah. Dude, we were cheering them on and everything. Did you hear me yelling? Dude, I was like, yeah, yeah. Then he crashed and said, not yet, not yet. Bro, gotta take home a free cone? That's not fair. This car's fully built. What's up, guys? That was the Clarksville Speedway. Things got a little hectic at the end, as you saw probably in the thumbnail as well. A lot of people were asking me to give them the footage, and that was just, it's extremely hard to do when there's like 12 people trying to get the footage. I got a couple of people's Instagrams and stuff, so if you still want the footage, message me on Instagram, Coda_Shepherd, and I'll give you the footage from there. I'm gonna send some of them through the DMs. But that's my first drift event. How'd you like it? Did you enjoy it?
I enjoyed it.
Yeah, it was pretty cool. I mean, that ending was pretty cool. Obviously, you can hear they're still going around, but of course, we got stuff to do today. So that's probably gonna be where the video ends. Pretty good for the first start. If you want to see more, make sure to stick around. Follow the Instagram, follow the YouTube. More videos to come. See you guys.